Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and this is Sencha Natural's Organic Everyday Matcha. This is a 100% Japanese green tea powder, which is really cool. The reason why is because I'm starting to like drinking matcha at my local coffee shop, and I decided, hey, why not make this at home? So I decided to buy a box, actually a bag of the matcha powder just to try it out, and it tastes really good. The color stays consistently green, which is really cool, and the taste is really clean. You can add more powder to make it a lot more stronger. It's good value too, which is nice. What I usually do is just put about 1 teaspoon into a cup and then put about an ounce or two of hot water, let it blend with a milk frother, and then I put either hot or cold milk or soy milk and make my own latte. This is very convenient in my mornings, and I've been using this for the past, 2 weeks, and it's been pretty awesome. It's very quick, very easy. You can also use this for baking, which is really cool. I plan to try out new recipes and other things like cookies and bread, but let's go ahead and taste this latte matcha I just made. That was good. Anyways, it's SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.